So for all of you who purchased the San Diego Comic-Con Tron figure, which is really cool, you've seen the unboxing videos before, and that's not what this is. I bought the figure, and I want to be able to display it. And so I built a stand, and that's what it looks like. And actually I have a newer version that has the original Tron writing on the top. So I built a stand for it because I want to display it. But not only do I want to display it, I want to display it glowing. So I created this blacklight stand. So as you can see, it allows the figure to be displayed, glowing pretty cool, sitting on an identity disc as well. And I think it makes it pop in my room because, you know, with the light off, as you can see, you really just see a figure that has some red highlight on it. So if you got one of these and you want a stand, I actually make them. I have the link below if you want to go purchase one. They're very cool, and they do the job. And I really like it. And it actually lets my other stuff glow in the background as well. So, anyway, enjoy.